If your organisation needs to complete a live recall or withdrawal, you must fill out a series of screens providing all required information. You will then add recipients, submit the notification for approval, and approve it to go live. To begin, please go to www.ProductRecallNZ.org and log in to Live Mode. Please note that you can reset your password using the Forgot Your Password feature on the login screen. When you log in, you will come to the Initiated Notifications screen. Click Create a New Notification to begin. A dialog box will appear reminding you that you'll be making a live notification. If your actual intention is to create a mock notification, please log out now. The first screen you will see is the Notification Details screen. It has 5 mandatory fields that must be filled out before the notification can be saved. If you are unsure about a particular field, please scroll your mouse over the question mark symbol next to a field to see specific field help. For specific screen help, please look for the corresponding help article that can be accessed by clicking the question mark icon in the top right of the screen. In this case, the article is all about the Notification Details screen. The Notification Details screen is where you define the notification's name, product type, classification, and reasons. This is also the screen where you will make a decision on whether the regulators, Ministry for Primary Industries or Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment, should be notified. If you are unsure of the classification, but have made the decision to remove the product from the supply chain regardless, you can select Withdrawal as your classification. However, you should still notify the regulator, and you'll be able to update this to a recall at a later date if required. Once you've filled in all the required fields, press the Save button on the bottom left of the screen. For the first time, the left-hand menu will indicate the number of mandatory fields that remain on each screen. To navigate between screens, you can either click the links directly on the left-hand menu, or you can use Previous and Next buttons on the bottom right of the screen. If you've chosen to notify the regulator on the Notification Details screen, you will now be prompted to fill out an additional screen. In this instance, the MPI form, which is based on their Recall Hazard or Risk Analysis form. If you are unsure whether your notification is a recall or withdrawal, please get in touch as soon as possible with MPI's Food Compliance team on the number listed here. Send this form directly to MPI as soon as you're finished by selecting Submit to MPI on the bottom right of the screen. Next up is the Product screen. The Product screen is very important as this is where you specify which product or products are affected. The key identifier for a product is the Global Trade Identification Number, or GTIN. This is also known as a barcode number. However, if no GTIN exists on your product, you may also add an alternate identifier. GS1 highly recommends including a product image for clarity. While a GTIN defines the exact product, the tracking code specifies the specific batch or group. GS1 also recommends adding an image of the tracking code. You will require at least one unique product to complete a notification. Each product will be added one at a time. You can add another product by selecting Add Another Product on the bottom right of the screen. You can also add another product on the Summary of Products screen. As you move through the notification screens, filling out all mandatory fields, you'll get to the Recipients screens. The first one we will discuss is Subscribed Recipients. Subscribed recipients are recipients that are registered users who can log into the system and are able to report back on a notification. They can be added using filters for distribution lists, organisation name, industry, or region. To add a recipient, check the box next to their name, then click Add to Notification. To review added recipients, click on the second tab above the filters. Here, you can see all added subscribed recipients and delete them if required. Non-subscribed recipients are not registered and cannot log in or report back. They will simply receive an alert email. A single non-subscribed recipient can be added by entering information into the 3 fields and clicking Add to Notification. Multiple non-subscribed recipients can be uploaded using the Upload Multiple Recipients feature. To review added recipients, click on the second tab above the filters. Moving back to subscribed recipients, some will require additional information if they're added to a notification. For more information on additional information requirements, see the links below this video or access information via our Help Centre using the question mark in the top right corner of the page. Please note that all additional information fields are mandatory. The last screen is the Submit screen, where you can review all recipients before submitting for approval. Here you may see global recipients that have been added. If you do not wish to notify them, you can delete them from this screen. Please be aware that you will not be able to submit a notification for approval until all mandatory fields on all screens are complete. Once all mandatory fields are completed, you can submit the notification for approval. If you are an initiator user only, you cannot approve or reject this notification. Only cancel your submission. All approver users from your organization will receive an alert email letting them know to log in and review the notification. If you are an approver user or an initiator and approver user, you will need to click Approve/Reject to review the notification. If you reject the notification, it will return to draft status. If you approve it, it will go live and be issued to your trading partners. Click Yes if you wish to go live. Your notification has now been sent to your trading partners. Some of them may send it on to their own sites and stores. To see the status of reporting for your trading partners, click Progress Report on the Initiated Notification screen. For more information on progress reports, please see the link below the video.